Haters gonna hate. Then it's gonna fade, wait. It's gonna hate. Shake it off. Shake it off. F is for fridge magnets. That is why today we're gonna be jazzing up that big old grey elephant in the kitchen, the fridge. Let's make some miniature plant magnets. Take the end of a copper pipe, pop in a little bit of glue, a little bit of moss. I've got these little succulents, fake succulents. Don't tell anyone. Bad feng shui apparently. A little bit of glue, and in we go. Here's some mini magnets, but they really pack a punch, eh? Another little smidgen of glue, pop it on. Hey, they love each other, these magnets. Teeny weeny little succulents. There's it. What's next? Let's make some glass pebble magnets. Beautiful. Take a coin that's about the same size as your pebble. Now I'm tracing little circles. We're gonna cut out little pictures to stick behind our pebbles. Look how the pebble magnifies the picture. Cute. Let's get gluing. The image must go onto the glue. Some of them don't even need pictures. You can just use some colorful nail polish. And now for our magnets. Pop it in. I'm gonna give this one googly eyes. Look at these little guys. Hello. Slightly bigger ladybird. Where are you going? I'm going on an adventure. Slightly smaller ladybird. Ooh, that sounds like fun. Where are you gonna go? In the forest? Yes. Let's fly away together. Onto the fridge. These are so cool. These are gonna make my fridge so colorful and vibrant. And you know what else? Great gift. FYI. Here's another fun magnet you can make with some photos. You're going to take this lid off the jar, take off the top. Today I'm going to be using this picture of me and Marianne at Christmas. We're going to trace it and we're going to cut out the circle. Now I'm going to upcycle this lid to make the front of our photo box. You could also use a piece of acetate, trace it with the top of the lid. And now we cut. We're going to trace this cardboard. Pop a little bit of glue on the inside of your jar lid. Take your acetate or your upcycled lid and pop it in. Now stick your picture to your piece of cardboard. Now I'm filling mine with some beads and pom-poms just for a bit of extra fun and pizzazz. Let's glue very carefully around the edge. Pop it into the frame. Wait for it to dry. Lastly, pop on a magnet. There's it. Photo box filled with fun and memories. Cute. What did the paperclip say to the magnet? I'm very attracted to you, eh? Mini spice jar magnets for optimal spice organization and accessibility. Pop your favorite spices into some mini jars. Make little stickers for each one. Oregano. Some people say I'm the OG. Oregano gangster. Chili, turmeric, mustard, dill. I don't know if you've heard, but I'm kind of a big dill. Time to glue on some magnets. Ta-da! Perfectly organized and accessible. Another quick hack is to make a fridge shopping list using an old photo frame. Leave in the glass and just put a plain colorful piece of paper on the inside. Let's glue on a magnet. I've got my whiteboard marker. Eggs, milk, honey. Cute. Remember, every day say this to yourself. You are beautiful. You are enough. You are stunning. You are powerful. You can achieve anything you set your mind to. You love and approve of yourself. Just some reminders, guys. And finally, zhuzh up some old plastic letters by spray painting them. There's it. DIY, because anybody can make some really fun and funky fridge magnets. Farewell, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and click the little bell icon. PS, guess what? I'm on TikTok now, guys, because a lot of you send me a lot of DMs saying, how is Tannie is jy op TikTok? Het jy TikTok, Tannie? So, go and click it.